eat Fresh Kitchen in the city. Where is that at, babe? On Bayshore.
Off of Bayshore.
On Bayshore.
Right in Tampa Bay.
We love to go to this location. We haven't been in a long time, but we do love Fresh Kitchen. So if you're out in Tampa, please go and try it. I think they have 2 locations out here in Tampa. But it's just fresh food, and I'll show you guys a little bit of how it looks. Yeah, it's healthy food. We love it. So we're just getting out the house today. We don't have much going on. I think we're going to IKEA just to look around, just to see what they got, and going to go get some Fresh Kitchen. I need my car cleaned, so we might go do that today. But that is about it. That's what we have scheduled today. So I want to come on and tell you guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and welcome back for another vlog. Look at my husband. Look at him. Who do you think you are, Cedric?
I don't know. I mean, I've been getting interviews lately, so feeling pretty good about myself. All thanks to Jehovah, though, of course. But, you know, interviews, everything lining up, you know.
Yes, so we got a lot of stuff going good and going as planned. Never mind my hair, you guys. I combed it out, and I'm just going with the flow as it grows. But everything is going as planned, so we're happy about that. You know, can't complain. Yeah, if I didn't tell you guys before, we are moving to a different state, so we are looking for houses and transitioning and things like that. So everything's going as planned and smooth, and we can't do nothing but thank Jehovah above. So, you know, we're just forever grateful for that. But I just like, you know, my husband got the little get up going on today. Look at him driving a Peanut.
I don't really like your car like that. It's like, it ain't like Charlie.
Hater. So y'all, this is the food. We just came up out of there and we're back in the car. It's so packed over there that we literally had to go to a different parking lot, or we was gonna get our car towed. They don't have much parking at this location. But this is the food. So yeah, I got green beans, feta cheese, the creamy, what is it, creamy ranch sauce. I got
some creamy other sauce.
some type of cream sauce. Chicken. I got regular chicken and barbecue chicken, rice, and a kale Caesar underneath. But this is a bowl. This is like a protein bowl. So yeah, it's good. CJ already eating his. He gets noodles each and every time.
Yeah, sweet potato noodles, barbecue chicken, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and then the balsamic vinaigrette, and then the creamy white sauce that they got.
And the girls, they got noodles and chicken and sweet potatoes. Is it good? Yeah, it's good now? Don't eat the potatoes then. I just find it funny that we were walking in there and nobody had their mask on except for us and the workers. Like, it was jam-packed. Y'all saw it. Nobody had a mask on. COVID is still here. But we're gonna wear our masks. My babies are not vaccinated, so we're vaccinated, but we still wear our masks. We don't play that. But the food is really good, y'all. This is like one of the first places we found when we moved to Tampa. So it's good to come around here every now and again. But it's really good. After this, we're gonna go to IKEA and see what they got. IKEA is not far from here. We actually passed it coming here, but I was hungry, so I wanted to go to the city and then go back. So we'll go to IKEA, and yeah, that's it. So we're gonna finish eating here, and I'll catch back up with you later.
I ain't never been with nobody.
Okay, guys, we just left IKEA. I was about to say Winn-Dixie. We just left IKEA and we didn't really get much. We just went in there to get inspired. Like I said, we're moving, so we want to get some like ideas on what we would like to see in our new home. So we went there, and just to get out the house, I did go. Well, CJ told me that we needed some more of these bags. Well, we never had them, but you know, I go to Aldi's a lot, and I find myself having to. Oh, y'all are shaking. Yeah. I find myself having to put everything in my car individually, and I'm kind of sick of that. So we saw these bags and got some of them. It's just the IKEA bags. So that's all I got from IKEA today, but we did get some good ideas on what we would like to see in our next house. So yeah, I think today was a success. Now we're going to go get my car washed because I need that done like desperately. I do need to go to Bath and Body Works because I need to get some more smell goods. I have my little turtles here. I only have one more scent, and I need to go get some more so that I can rack up on those. But the scent that I have in my car right now is Leaves. If y'all don't have this scent, y'all need to go get this scent for y'all car. I put this scent in Cedric's truck, and when I tell you it smells so good, it smells so good. Go get Leaves car scent at Bath and Body Works. The candles are good, but I don't think they smell better than the car scents. I also like pumpkin apple. Pumpkin apple for your car. It's just a sophisticated smell. It smells really, really good. But between those two, those are my favorite. But as you can see, I am running out. This was the pumpkin apple one, and I'm running out. So I need to go back to Bath and Body Works to get some more. But yeah, these are my favorite scents right now. So we'll probably do that. Not today, but very soon, because I need to go get some more of those. My car is clean and I feel good about that. I'm so happy that my car is back
You going
clean.
to work tomorrow?
Yeah, I gotta go. But I'm happy that my car is clean because it's been a minute, and as you can see, the girls, they make a mess back there. It's not too bad, but it is crumbs and stuff like that. So I'm glad to have that clean. We haven't gotten it clean since we came back from Atlanta last time. So it's been a minute, and I'm excited that my car is clean. It's just nothing like having a clean car. So just excited about that. But Peanut is clean, and we're ready for our next trip to Atlanta, which is this weekend. On Friday we're leaving to go to my brother's baby shower to celebrate his baby because he's having a new one. So we're going for that, and the girls are just chilling back there with my glasses that I went today.
It's I.
Oh, y'all trying to cap that this y'all shades.
It's look how it looks like. How does it look, y'all?
CJ's about to go pump my gas. He's about to put some gas in Mama's car. But I think we're gonna leave off on this vlog right here. This was just a short day vlog with us. We didn't really do much. As you can see, we went out to eat and got some food and did a little errand, which was wash the car. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next vlog. Have a good one.